So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and use wireless Android Auto on your Android phone. Now, doing this is pretty basic. Number one, you do have to go through and have your car already set up inside of your particular Android phone and your vehicle. But the other thing too, your car must support your wireless Android Auto. Not every car has it. Your car may support the wired Android Auto, but it may not support the wireless one. So keep that in mind. Now, on top of that, you want to make sure you have the Android Auto application installed on your phone. Almost every single phone out there has the Auto application installed, but just in case you don't, you can just type in Auto like this. You can find Android Auto and you can just manually install the application this way. Now, once it's installed, all you want to do is you want to make your way over into your settings application right over here, and you can actually go ahead and find your Android Auto option. So you can just come into here, you can type in Auto just like this. You should be able to find Android Auto somewhere. So you can actually just type in Android Auto like this in the search bar. Click on Android Auto, and you will see the Android Auto portion come up at the very bottom. So now what we can do is we can start seeing this type of capability come up. What we want is we want to connect a car. So click on Connect Car, and you can see that right here we have a Connect Car option right here, or it says at the very bottom, Connect using wireless Android Auto. So what we want to do is we want to tap onto this particular Connect a Car portion, and then it's going to start allowing us to use our Bluetooth capability within our car. So go inside of your car, turn it on, get into the connecting portion or connect a phone portion to your car. Click on Connect using Bluetooth, and then it's going to start pairing and finding a car around you. So as long as your car is in pairing mode, you should be able to click on the Bluetooth here, find your car within this panel, and then it should be able to connect your car to that particular phone. And that's basically all you're going to have to do. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.